Alright, today we are going to be factorizing quadratic expressions using algebra tiles. The first expression we are going to factorize is the trinomial x squared plus 5x plus 6. To do this, we are going to model the expression. This means I have to have an x squared tile, a 5x tile, and a 6 tile. Here is the x squared tile. These are 5 x's, and now you need to have 6 of these 6. So now that we have modeled the trinomial, we need to put it in our factorization frame. The first thing, the x squared goes to the corner. And we are going to try to create a rectangle using the other tiles. So I can put 2 here, and I can put 3 down here. Keep in mind that the x tile goes along the sides of the x squared tiles. The unit tiles go to the vertex of the square at this point here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now our rectangle is completed. All we now have to do is to get the dimension of each side of the rectangle. This side is x units. This is 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units. So this is x plus 3. On this side, this is the x unit. So we put x here. And we have 1 unit, 2 units. So the side here is x plus 2. The side here is x plus 3. Keeping in mind that area is very significant in the factorization process. So the area of this tile is represented by this side times this side. And so therefore our factorized version of this trinomial is x plus 3 into x plus 2. Okay, so now let's do the other problem. Here you have to factorize x squared minus 4. So we model x squared minus 4. Here's the x squared tile. The red tiles are the negative. So this is negative 4 units. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we put this model in our factorizing frame. Remember, the x squared goes to the corner of the frame. There is no x's to go on this side, but there are units. So the units go at the diagonal, or the vertex of the square. That's here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. But we have a problem. Our rectangle is incomplete. To complete this rectangle, what we need to do is add a couple of 0 pairs. To do this, I can put an x tile here. But if I leave an x squared tile here, then that changes the meaning of this. So I must also subtract the x. This is equivalent to saying x minus x, and x minus x is 0. Hence the name 0 pairs. If I add another x here, I have to subtract another x here, for you to get a second zero pair. And now our rectangle is completed. So we then write the dimension of the rectangle here. This is x. And we have 2 units. So we need to add the 2 units here. And this side is x. But we need to minus 2 units. Keep in mind these are negative tiles. So we need to minus 2 units on this side. So it becomes minus 2. So our factorized version of x squared minus 4 is x plus 2 into x minus 2. Sometimes you may hear this referred to as the difference of squares. This is your answer.